Samsung's decision to rely on Micron for the memory chips in the upcoming Galaxy S25 series has sent shockwaves through the tech industry, and not in a way that many had anticipated. For over a decade, Samsung's own semiconductor division, particularly its DRAM units, held the crown as the primary supplier of memory chips for its Galaxy smartphones. However, with the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung is making a bold move by turning to an external supplier, Micron, a well-established American company, for the very components that have powered its flagship devices for years. This shift marks a significant departure from Samsung's usual practice of relying on its own memory chips. For the first time in history, Micron will be the main supplier of memory for a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, leaving Samsung's in-house components on the sidelines. This is a massive change for Samsung, as it had dominated the memory chip industry for its Galaxy devices for over 10 years. The decision to opt for Micron, especially considering the fierce competition in the smartphone market, raises questions about what this means for the future of Samsung's own semiconductor division. Why has Samsung made this sudden shift? The answer lies in performance. Samsung's own LPDDR5 DRAM chips have faced challenges, including overheating and yield issues that have affected their reliability. These performance problems led Samsung to look beyond its own production and turn to Micron's LPDDR5X memory chips, which offer a clear advantage. Micron's LPDDR5X memory chips are manufactured using one-beta-node technology, which incorporates advanced lithography and nanomanufacturing techniques. This production process is more efficient and produces chips that are not only faster, but also more power-efficient than Samsung's LPDDR5 chips, manufactured using a 10-nanometer class process. Samsung's decision to prioritize Micron's superior memory chips also signals an important shift in the broader technological landscape. It demonstrates that Samsung is willing to put performance ahead of its own in-house products, and that its rivals' components can sometimes offer better solutions. This move might have stung Samsung, as it has long prided itself on being the leading provider of memory chips for its own devices. However, it also reflects the company's desire to deliver the best possible experience for its users, even if that means admitting that its competitors have a better product. This decision to use Micron's memory chips isn't unprecedented in the tech world. Apple, for example, was one of the first to incorporate Micron's LPDDR5X chips into its iPhone 15, setting a new benchmark for high-performance memory in smartphones. Samsung, recognizing this performance gap, seems to have followed suit, making the choice to equip its Galaxy S25 series with the best memory technology available. Although this may seem like a humbling moment for Samsung, it shows the company's commitment to refining its products and ensuring that the Galaxy S25 series offers top-tier performance, even if it means relying on external suppliers. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled on January 22, and excitement is building around these new devices. While it may not represent a major leap forward in terms of groundbreaking features, it will undoubtedly showcase Samsung's dedication to making incremental improvements and offering users the best experience possible. The new devices are expected to build upon the S24 series, continuing Samsung's tradition of providing high-quality smartphones that are among the best Android devices on the market. Though this shift might be seen as a moment of weakness for Samsung, it's actually a demonstration of the company's ability to adapt and put user experience first. Choosing Micron's chips despite being a departure from its usual practice is a testament to Samsung's willingness to prioritize performance and power efficiency over internal pride. It's clear that Samsung is doing whatever it takes to ensure the Galaxy S25 series delivers the best experience for its users. The question now is whether Samsung's reliance on external suppliers will continue in the future. Will the company be able to regain its dominant position in the semiconductor field, or will it continue to turn to outside sources for key components? Regardless of the outcome, the Galaxy S25 series will surely be a device to watch, as it signals a new era in Samsung's smartphone strategy. Stay tuned for more updates, and thanks for watching.